Good morning, grade 3. How are you today? Today we want to complete our lesson. What is a machine? Today is Monday, 20 April 2020. All of you open pages 352. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you have to know how position and motion can be changed by pushing and pulling objects to show work being done. And to understand simple machines. Simple machines, I think you study it in grade 2. And we will study it again now. And it's very nice lesson, by the way. You will take it again in grade maybe 4 and 5 and know how they make work easier. Now we will know in this lesson. Look at this picture here. We have different machines here. These machines, we call it simple machines. Simple machines. Okay. We have six kind of different simple machines: wedge, screw, lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane. Now, this is wheel and axle. Now I will explain it. Here, wedge, screw, and this one, pulley. Okay, I will start with you with simple machines. From its name, simple machines. Do you recognize any of the object in the pictures? They are all simple machines. What is it, the simple machines? Simple machines have just one or two parts. One of two parts. These machines do not lessen the amount of work you do, but they help make work easier. So simple machines can make the work easier. Six kind of simple machines help you to do work. They are wheel and axle, wedge, lever, inclined plane, pulley, and screw. Let's start with wheel and axle. All of you repeat it. Wheel and axle. A wheel and axle. From its name, a wheel. A wheel. Look at the picture here. This is here we have a wheel, and here in the middle between two wheels you have the axle. Again, here we have the wheel, and here you have the axle. Look at this picture also here. This is the wheel. Look at the pointer here, and here the axle. So, is a round attached to a post called an axle. It's a round object attached to a post called an axle. Now, learning the wheel causes the axle, running the wheel causes the, now I'll show you another picture in the car here. You see, running the wheel cause the axle also will turn, okay? The axle turns a small distance as the wheel turns a greater distance. So the axle turn again a small distance as the wheel turns a greater distance. Now a wedge. What is it, a wedge? A wedge is a simple machine, okay, a simple machine made from two slanted sides that end with a sharp edge. Here at the end you have a sharp edge. As wedge is pushed through material, when you push the cutter, this one, into a wood such as or food, it cuts, split the material. Now, Who can read for us question number 2 and answer it? Okay, identify. You want to cut a piece of cake or pie, like pie of apple if you have. Okay, what is the common name for the kitchen wedge you use? Who can tell me what is it if you want to cut the cake, a pie of cake or a pie or pie? Okay, we use what? Excellent, knife. This is lever. Lever. A lever is a stiff bar. A stiff bar. Here is it, the stiff parts that rest on a support. A lever is used, you see here, a lever is used to lift and move things. A lever, this is the bar here, a lever is used to lift or move objects. You push on one end, the other end will lift up. We push on one end. What will happen for the other end? It will lift up. Now, what are the 6 simple machines? Now, I want to ask questions. Excellent. It's wheel and axle, wedge, lever, screw, pulley, inclined plane. Now, another question. How are all 6 simple machines alike? Who can tell me? Yes, they have only have one or two parts and they help make work easier. Again, as you see in the picture, they only have one or two parts and they help make work easier. Another question upon the lesson. What is an example of a lever on a playground? How does it work? In a playground, we have kind of simple machine. Yes, a seesaw. Did you play with the seesaw? Excellent. When one child pushes down, the other child goes up. Okay, thank you, my dear students, and we will complete our lesson tomorrow, inshallah.